Alrighty, Mark, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It has got our new 220 head on it. Custom grind hydraulic rollers. Got the Pro-Am manifold. Holley throttle body. Holley Terminator X fuel management. Great system. Blacked out front end. It has got a rear sump oil pan on it. I think this has got the World Products block in it. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Mark, 3,600, 457 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 534, peaks horsepower 564. So it's got a front end on it, so it runs good. What we're going to do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, and I'm show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got engine specs, engine pictures, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. So highly recommend plug it in and watch it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. On the engine will be this tag. It will have an engine number and some other specifications. Make sure not to lose this. If you contact us, want any information on your engine, that number is the easiest way for us to look you up. So have a great day.